All right, low heat friends, have another pair and have some help with me. Have my high heat partner with me to unbox these and help give thoughts because they are hers. So why don't you say hello?
Hello.
And she's got a cold, so
Yeah,
pay
sorry.
no mind to that. Why don't you go ahead and pull on the pull tab there, and you get to the scrapes are from cats. We don't go. This isn't from gardening or anything.
Oops. You know how good I am at opening boxes?
Yeah, you are. Your unboxing skills are a little sus, and we should have practiced this before the video. Let's just do it the manly way.
Hold on.
Okay. This is in the less suspicious. No Nike branding on the outside, so that's good. Less likely to be stolen. Okay, now we can handle this, can't we? All right, there we go. We did it. There we go. Keep her in frame there, and I'll let you do the grand unveiling.
Here it goes.
Ta-da! And your nails kind of match. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Show all the ladies who might be watching. Look at that. We're on brand today. Ooh.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Oh, nailed it.
You didn't even get it, did you?
Every time.
All right. Why don't you hold that one, and you look at that one. You can.
Thanks.
There you go. So these, I think, I like this colorway. I think these are pretty dope, and we are into winter, but this would be a great fall shoe in my opinion, and summer and spring. Heck, even winter, but in general, I think these would definitely work in the fall with the orange, the two tones of orange, and that gold, shiny gold metallic swoosh. You got, it doesn't seem like any bonus laces, just one set of laces.
Ladies, we gotta tell them they need to give us more laces.
That being said, on my general release pair that I'm wearing right now, only one set of laces too.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
So I think just on the general releases, you only get one set of laces.
Trade me. I'm gonna try that one on.
Okay, here. Oh, we didn't do the official. I'm all mixed up here having a guest on the show. We didn't do the official reading of the name. These are the women's Nike Dunk Lows in orange, metallic, gold, white. And my lady here is a size 7, and these retailed for $110. These general releases used to be, I think, 100, so they've creeped up in modern times. But these are currently going for, I think around, in this size at least, around 150 on StockX plus your shipping fees. So, you're going to net out to like closer to 175. But not crazy for a dunk. So if you are interested, these, I would say semi-affordable, depending on your definition of affordable. But they're not crazy. They're not over 200. You can get these sub 200, which nowadays sometimes that's, I wouldn't say a deal, but you can get these if you really wanted these and missed out on them, or you're looking at them now and want them. Check out the various platforms: Goat, StockX, eBay, your streetwear shops. You can get these used probably for a really good price, lightly worn. Let's see them on foot. Stick your foot out there, and we got on-brand socks for the holidays. What do you think? What are your thoughts now that we've talked about them a bit? Now that they're on fit, why don't you put your foot right there? Yeah.
I love the colors. These are my second pair of lows now.
Mm-hmm. You got the multicolored, like Sunset Pulse ones also.
Yeah, the SB Dunks.
Oh no, those weren't SBs. Those were general release like this. The low ones that are multicolored. No, they're just regular Dunks like these.
Excuse me, everyone on the channel.
That's all right. We corrected it.
I really like these. I think these will go with a lot of different outfits. I like the contrast from any pair of jeans I'm going to wear with the bright pop of the orange. Mm-hmm. Super comfortable.
Yeah. And these, it's funny you say that these Dunks are comfortable. They're kind of like what I say too. They're comfortable on foot. I wouldn't walk around in these all day. Like the actual midsole and insole don't have a ton of support, but these are like Jordan 1s, and they're roomy and spacious. I think the fit for you, these fit, right? These are your exact size, right?
Yeah.
7?
Yep.
So these fit true to size.
See me pushing my toe real quick? So my toes like right here.
Yep.
So I have all that space.
So you could go half size up, but I would go true to size if you can.
But I've noticed it's a little looser here, so like I would need to tie these even tighter. I have a narrow foot, but I need to tie them just a little tighter because they're a little loose. So I really like them.
Yeah, I think these are great, and yeah, these are just comfortable to wear if you're like movies, sitting, traveling, maybe not walking all day, but I like these. I actually I've only once hit on a pair of Dunk Low general releases, the Ugly Ducklings. You can see that link. I'll link it. These I had to buy resale from a guy on Instagram, Brick Sells. I've never hit on a pair of general releases for me. I've hit on them for you, but just I can't seem to hit on a pair of general release Dunk Lows except that one time, the Ugly Ducklings. I got lucky, yeah, just I can't get a normal basic colorway. This is the most basic of Nike shoes they put out. Just everyone's always grabbing them up. You've had a lot of luck though grabbing sneakers on the Sneakers app. These you got on the Sneakers app, right?
Yeah.
This is like your 10th win.
Yeah, something like that.
10th win. So you're like these. You're not gonna get rid of these.
No, I like them, and I like the gold because it's not a pop of color. I like that they threw that in there with it to mix it up.
And yeah, these are I think your second pair of Dunk Lows. You only have those Sunset Pulse ones, that multicolored metallic ones,
fantastic.
Which you like a lot. But
I love those.
But yeah, you don't have a ton of Dunk Lows. So this is your second pair.
These will be like just throw on shoes for me for every, going to the store, going shopping, going to work. These are great. I really like these.
All right, there you have it. From time to time, we do have women's shoes on when we get them for her. So subscribe. If you're a lady and looking for reviews on women's shoes, we occasionally get them in. And yeah, these don't go up to full men's sizing. They go up to like your standard, I think, women's like 13. So that's like 10 and a half men's. So I couldn't get these, unfortunately, if I wanted them. But yeah, any final thoughts?
Go get a pair. They're really fun. And you can match your nail color to them. So, ladies.
Yeah. Well, we're not sponsored by Nike yet, so maybe don't get a pair if you don't want to, but they are reasonably affordable.
Yeah. No, they're great.
And yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
I don't even think I said it, but I think these look good on you. So there. Now it's on record. I think these look real nice on you. There we go. We got it in.